Crasher Compass Monsters!
What's up? We see you guys.
So we are here at Knott Scary Farm and we're doing some updates for y'all.
We are. We said we would do some every single Tuesday. So today is Knott's Day.
Yeah. We're going to try to bounce between Halloween Horror Nights, Knott's, but today we're going to be doing Knott's. And we've already gotten some interesting footage for you guys. So we decided to go on Ghostrider because a little birdie in the comments told us that there was a devil on the facade where Trick or Treat used to be.
Yeah.
And we both can confirm there is a devil. It almost looks like a hell house. There's like a white little like board. What would you call that? Like a sign? Like a movie theater sign.
Yeah.
You know, like old classical.
What is that?
Like a marquee?
A marquee.
A marquee?
Marquee.
A marquee. See, we figured it out. English.
Word of the day.
But it's blank. There's no title on the marquee yet, so
Which
that's
is smart.
Smart. So we're gonna go ahead and put that footage in right now. We're trying to get you guys trick or treat footage of the devil. Here we go! So shaky! We see it! Alright guys, we saw it. We saw the devil. It looks like a hell house. She's getting it! Alright. Oh my god, I don't even know what we got. We saw it. There is a devil on the facade. Oh, my spine! No, that was a lot of fun. So, we did our best to get that footage for you guys. We could see the devil marquee and we're gonna have to, you know, kind of just go off of that. So what do you make of that? What do you think that's gonna be?
Wow. As much as I know, I don't know. This is going to be a surprise to us, and I probably need to like examine things just a little bit further because, of course, as I was trying to film as well, I'm like,
First impressions, though, for me, it looks like a hell house. You know?
So define hell house, because when I think of a hell house, I think of like those like religious hell houses.
That's what I'm talking about.
So you think it's gonna be like that?
It just looks like that. This is not like just a prediction, just an impression. It kind of has that feeling to it. I don't know though. I could be completely wrong. But I mean, you know what I am excited for? Trick or Treat was a great maze. It really was. It was one of my favorites. It was most detailed. I even liked the interactive lights that they had last year and the year before. But I'm kind of happy that there's a change now. I'm happy that there's something else. Trick or Treat lived on. It's going to live on in my memory as one of like the best, but I'm just happy that there's something new now.
Totally, and like you're right. It lived on for 7 years, but it's time for a change. So Knott's confirmed, but
Crasher Compass confirmed that, yeah, it's different. We also have footage of the back area of the depths, which we'll put in right now.
So what you guys are probably looking at right now is obviously the depths is going to be coming back because that lighthouse is still there. It looks like Dark Entities is completely gone, but it's probably all those pieces that are wrapped up and ready to go. And then you can definitely see Hayden Hill Manor, or Hayden Hill Sanitarium is facade still up.
And the pumpkins too. There's a bunch of like pumpkin men, which is from Pumpkin Eater, I believe.
Well, it goes in the Hollow and Ghost Town.
Oh, the Hollow and Ghost. Okay, JK.
Remember those giant jack-o'-lanterns that they just had lit up? And
Yeah,
you could just
I like
take
those.
pictures and they had them in the fountains.
Is that what these were?
I think that's what those
Oh, well, can confirm that there will be pumpkins at Not Scary Farm 2019.
Many, many.
Many, many. So also going off of that footage that we just saw, we can tell that the mine shaft is already built and up and running. So we know that that's going to probably be the entrance again. Sometimes Not Scary Farm likes to do like the reverse method where like you'll go through like voodoo backwards.
True.
I think that it's just going to be the same for the depths. You're going to be entering through that mine area towards that exit gate little fence that we were at.
But they usually do something to change it up just a little bit, so hopefully there'll be an added aspect.
Yeah, I mean, and even if not, it's still a new maze.
True.
And it was still, you know, but I did enjoy, like last year, Paranormal Inc. They had that like very insidious, shining feel towards the end, like that new section at the hospital. That was cool.
I'm looking forward to going through that this year.
Yeah, I really like that. Like, you sometimes get a little fatigued, like, okay, it's the same maze, but when they add something a little new to it, it just makes me like, okay, I'm okay with this now. It can come back next year. So let's go check out the Red Barn and see if we can see anything.
Everything. But we're in the livery right now. And if you guys have never been to Spooky Farm, come to Spooky Farm during the day. My friend Jason will have all of his reptiles and animals here. And if you guys don't know who Jason is, and you guys don't know who his reptile is, check out SCHAR, because he actually lent us the snakes for our short film.
Yep.
So those snakes will most likely be here during Spooky Farm.
They're celebrities.
Huh?
They're celebrities.
They're celebrities.
You know, I've never been to Spooky Farm either, so I'm kind of excited to check
It's
that out
fun.
this year.
We need
It's
to do
fun.
it. It's cute. All right, let's go. So we are in,
Ghost Town, Toy Junction, and Novelties.
because he went to go look at the sign.
Yeah, no. And we noticed a lot of Not Scary Farm 2019 or 2018 merch here. So we have stuff like this. These shirts are actually really cheap. I don't know if I'm a huge fan of this one, because I typically, yeah, they are. But like, this is, let's see.
The other one's 25.
This is $16.99 for a shirt. I really like the shirts when they announce or they have like all the mazes and attractions that they have, because then you can just look back and be like, oh yeah, this happened in 2018. The Depths, Shadowlands, Pumpkin Eater.
So if you guys are missing out on 2018 merch, you can come here and get some. Still nothing going on at the Red Barn Wilderness Dance Hall. So again, we're not gonna see anything happen until later in the season after summer is over. And then we'll probably come back and take a look at this. I think this is gonna be the last time we take a look at this till we're further into the season, maybe after Midsummer Scream.
Yeah.
I'm still gonna predict Red Barn's possibly not coming back.
Well, even I just hope that Red Barn won't come back, because, you know, Red Barn was fun. Like I said in other videos, you guys know that this place has been used for such creative ideas for mazes. You had the Doll Factory, you had like Pinocchio Unstrung, that the Red Barn almost to me felt like a cop-out. And I am over the hillbilly like chainsaw thing. Like, if it's done right, then it's done right. I would really like to see a change here, and I hope there is a change. We took a peek in the windows. Usually, if you can see something inside, construction has to begin, because once construction begins, they just board it up or wall it up. But right now, it's just a banquet hall in there. There's a bunch of table and chairs. So nothing has happened in the Red Barn yet, but I really, really hope that there's just something different. You know, I want to see change on this one.
I'm going with the fans here. A lot of people have commented. They're like, Red Barn just needs to go.
Yeah, you know.
It's over, and I think we need to have a heightened idea.
Yeah.
And I really think that we still should take the Doll Factory idea out to the Carnival Scare Zone.
And again, this wasn't like a rip on the actors themselves. They were fantastic. We're kind of just not like over the concept of just a Red Barn, you know. So the actors did great. Let's just see something different.
All right, so we're back in front of Mystery Lodge. Now, Mystery Lodge is shut down. I feel like that was a known fact last year. We know from the footage that we got last time that the walls are not up for infected anymore. So Mystery Lodge is affecting infected being in that area, and where it's going to be, I don't know.
seriously, like, sorry.
No, it's okay.
Seriously, this whole area, it's called Mystery Lodge, and it really is just a mystery to us on what is happening. Like,
Somebody knows.
somebody knows, we don't know, but I am very curious to see how this is going to be applied because this is a lot of space back there.
Part of the 2020 Ghost Town expansion though.
What Jax was like, it could be part of the 2020 Ghost Town expansion. We know that the back areas are going to be affected by that expansion. And so that's going to be something totally new that we're going to have to look at next year.
Yeah. Well, we will, if we have any updates, we will go ahead and give you the update, but we don't, so.
Do you need anything else?
Not really convinced that Shadowlands is coming this year.
Are you sure?
I don't know.
I'm sure Accelerator sounds really fun right now. It's right there.
So we are standing in front of the Calico Log Ride where usually they have Halloween Hootenanny. Bree, do you think it's going to be coming back?
I hope it's going to be coming back. There's absolutely no reason why it shouldn't be coming back. It's a fun thing. It goes during the day, it goes during the night. It's good times.
Easy, easy. Now, there's going to be no scare actors involved in there, most definitely, because of things that may or may not have happened in the past. But that doesn't mean that they're not going to completely set dress it, have some really fun, like, little decor in there. So, I always like it. I even liked it when it was Pyromaniacs and Evil Dead. So, I'm always down.
Sleepy Hollow, remember that?
Oh, and Sleepy Hollow, yeah.
I wish they would theme something again, but Halloween Hootenanny is so cute. So
It is cute.
just bring it back. Not too much going on down the way in Dark Ride. We can't see that. So again, we're probably not going to touch on that until later in the season again.
Unless they happen to like leave a door open and we could just kind of sneaks in there. But even
Stick
then
my
I'd feel
camera
bad. Yeah. And then also Pumpkin Eater, nothing really new there. Everything's looking pretty much the same, so could probably confirm that Pumpkin Eater will be back, but you know,
We'll
never
see.
know.
We'll see. When that town goes up, then it'll be confirmed for sure.
The maze could be the Eater of Pumpkins, could be something brand new. So who knows?
Alright guys, so that's it for this Not Scary Farm update part 3. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and if
Comment something about Not Scary Farm.
yeah, if you guys know information, please let us know so
Yeah.
that we can keep up to date. If there's something that we don't know, and you guys know, we need to know.
100% sure that you guys know more than us. So
Right.
with that being said,
Always be ready.
because you never know where your couples will take you.
And wear sunscreen.
Wear sunscreen!